how many bales should I grow for my family? This is a common question I get all the time, and there's lots of variables. What I generally tell people is you need about 5 bales per person in your family if you intend to eat out of that garden throughout the growing season. If you want to grow enough stuff that you can can and freeze and preserve vegetables, you're probably going to need at least double that number of bales. It depends what you plant. If you plant very large tomatoes, you're going to get a lot of production up above those bales. It doesn't take a lot of space in the bale, but you get lots of production up above the bales. If you plant other crops like cabbage, you're only going to get maybe 3 cabbages per bale, and 3 cabbages don't go very far if you have a big family. So it kind of depends on what you're planting, but a general rule of thumb, plant 5 bales per person in your household, and I think you'll find that that's a comfortable number, gives you enough without having too much.